Burritos. So you remember years ago, Shenseea at the start of her career had her launching hit single Loaded with Vybz Kartel. Well, the dynamic duo is at it yet again with their new single and music video by the name of Panic. So, I quite like the song. I like Shenseea's flow. I love the beat. It was just very much, nice and groovy. And it was a cute little music video. So big up Shane Creative and the team for putting the video together. Vybz Kartel sounded great. I wouldn't mind for seeing venture into this sound in this era of his career, because I feel like it just gel with his current sound. And of course, Shenseea, it's a good dancehall pop song. Oh, and what was really exciting is that one of the fashion talents that I featured in one of my recent videos, Lanila Nola, she was one of the stars of the Panic music video. I see her there, strut her stuff in the street, in her outfit, a dance and a door thing. And so I'm really, really happy to see her there. And me not for ask, she will definitely be in a lot more music videos this year, next year, and beyond. So Burritos, let me know you love the song, you love the collaboration, you're liking the music video. Sound off below.